How to use Thinq Smart Diagnosis on an LG washer. The LG Thinq app on your smartphone can be used to perform a smart diagnosis on your compatible LG washer and connect you with LG customer support should there be any issues. To do this, your washer needs to have the Smart Diagnosis capability. Washers with Smart Diagnosis capability have the Smart Diagnosis logo. LG Smart Diagnosis uses the washer's main board to provide a report of the unit's performance. Smart Diagnosis works with Wi-Fi enabled models as well as non-Wi-Fi models. To begin, open the LG Thinq app on your smartphone. Then power on your washer, but do not select a cycle. Now tap on the registered washer in the Thinq dashboard. Then tap Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform either a Wi-Fi diagnosis or an audible diagnosis. After performing the smart diagnosis, you can tap on the link at the bottom of the Thinq screen for troubleshooting guides. You will find content with a detailed explanation and a video for easy troubleshooting. If you need to contact LG customer support, click on the bottom left of the screen. Then enter your telephone number to forward your diagnosis to customer support agents. You will receive a confirmation and be asked if you require direct contact with a representative. If so, tap Yes. If there are no issues that require attention, you will see the results indicating that product operation is normal. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.